What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today I'm going to show you how to switch out your gear shifter in a Toyota 4Runner. This should work for most of the models, especially the earlier ones. So the only thing you're really going to need is your new gear shifter. This is the one I got. I got blue to match the car a little bit. It's a little bit darker than what I would like it to be, but it is what it is. It's whatever. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead. You're gonna push it in here and it should just pop out. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's it. It should just pop out, and then this should just unscrew. Take out the old stuff. If you want, you can clip it back together. I probably will, like that. And then yeah, put your new one on. So like this one, this little kit came with a few different ones that fit, and none of these two are too big, but the third one is just the right size, and it's threaded. You can kind of see the inside's threaded, so I'm just gonna twist this on probably all the way to the bottom so it looks flush and mount, or it looks flush when I mount that. But yeah, that's really it. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them at the bottom. Thank you for watching 303 Streets, and have a good day. Thank you.